as you can tell from the title, it runs, it drives, and you can probably tell because it's not sitting there. It's not sitting there. I moved it today, so that way I could beat on the calipers some more and hopefully free up them tires. I got them almost all the way freed up. Like, it spins, they spin, they move. They're not completely moving, but they're better. And it starts and runs up every time. I put the air cleaner on it, just so I wasn't sucking any crap from like up there or just anything blowing around into it. Make it worse than it already is. It runs, and the alternator charges, and it seems like the wiring is decent. I was having troubles with the headlights. I think there might be a bad ground somewhere, or something's either drawn something, but I'll figure that out in another video. Let me just... Yeah, so if I come over here, I get the key. Put this one here. Starts right up. So that's pretty cool. And it runs decent too. But because it's got that big carburetor on it, it just wants to go.
A few moments later.
So as you just saw, we just went for a little road adventure for just a quick little bit to see if it worked. Apparently I placed the camera on the completely wrong spot because I got like barely any of the footage, but pretty much as he was backing up and going for it, he's just doing burnouts the entire time. And as we left, and we went down the roadaways, turned around, came back, and all you smelled was brakes burning because they're still sticking a little bit. And then he decided to go through the ditch and just took it right to the yard, and then all the yard is wet, and it's like snow plowing the front tire. So it totally just kind of trashed the yard here, but that's cool. And then later up on here, right there, we got stuck. And got out, locked the hubs, put it in 4-wheel drive, and 4-wheel drive worked. It just cruised right out of there, so that was pretty cool. I know four-wheel drive works, the lockers work, so that's pretty cool. That's one less thing I gotta deal with. But otherwise it drives good, except for that carburetor and that intake is just floods it. It's just way too much gas. It just reeks like gas and burning brake pads, so that we'll be able to solve though. Thanks for watching this episode, and I will see you next time.